In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Pay account in your browser. We'll go from opening your browser to adding a payment method so you're set up to pay online through Google with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Any modern browser works well, and it helps to have it up to date for the smoothest experience and the best security. Next, go to pay.google.com by typing the address directly into the address bar. Make sure you're on an official Google page by checking for the lock icon and the google.com domain. Depending on your region, you may see wallet.google.com, which is expected. Google Pay and Google Wallet work together here. Now sign in with your existing Google account. If you don't have one yet, select the option to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Pay or Wallet home screen. From here, you'll want to add a way to pay. Look for the Payment Methods section or tab in the navigation. Open that area to view your current payment options. Click Add Payment Method. You'll be asked to choose what you'd like to add, typically a credit card, debit card, or, in some regions, a bank account. Pick the option that suits you. Enter your details carefully. For cards, that means the card number, expiration date, and security code, along with the name as it appears on the card. For a bank account, provide the requested routing and account information if it's supported in your country. Accuracy matters here. Make sure names and numbers match your financial institution's records to avoid verification issues. After you submit those details, complete any authentication steps required by your bank or card issuer. This might include a one-time code by text, a prompt in your banking app, or an extra verification screen. Keep your phone nearby and respond promptly, since these codes can expire quickly. You may also be asked for your billing address to finish setting up. Enter the address your bank has on file, including apartment or unit numbers, and the correct postal code. This helps confirm ownership and can prevent declines caused by address mismatches. Once everything is verified, you should see a confirmation that your payment method has been added. It will appear in your payment methods list and is ready to use for purchases with Google services in your browser. If something doesn't go through, double check the digits, expiration date, and billing zip or postal code, then try again. That's it. You've created your Google Pay setup in the browser and added a payment method. You can return to the Payment Methods tab anytime to add more, remove old ones, or set a default. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.